Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the RAD Cycle Products Adjustable Bike Desk, a versatile rolling laptop cart designed for use with your stationary bike or trainer, allowing you to exercise while working or watching TV. This innovative desk features an adjustable height, easily raising and lowering from 33.5 inches to 47 inches, ensuring a perfect fit for any user. With its portable design, the locking casters provide secure positioning, making it easy to move from your workout space to your office. The desktop is equipped with a non-slip surface and built-in slots for your tablet and smartphone, ensuring your devices stay in place while you pedal away. Additionally, the tabletop includes convenient holes for cable management, keeping your workspace tidy and organized. Crafted from durable alloy steel, this bike desk is built to withstand years of use, making it a reliable addition to your home or office setup. So, whether you're looking to stay active while working or simply want a versatile standing desk, the RAD Cycle Products Adjustable Bike Desk is your perfect solution. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.